Let's unbox the Clogposite Sand in Black. Let's go. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I'm not really feeling the colorway. I thought it was a peach color, but sand, yeah. I think the other one's a peach. I forgot the color, but this part is white. But maybe I'm colorblind, but I don't know. Maybe rocking these with some army pants or something. I don't know. Or maybe it'll grow on me. They ain't nothing but $140. So if y'all like these slippers, these shoes, they still have sizes available on Sneakers app up to, I believe, size 11. Anything higher than that, you have to go to StockX. All right. Now, I paid $140 for them plus tax. It was $150, $155. Let me show y'all the other colorways I have. All right, here we go. I have the black ones. Now I have two pair of these, and I don't know how I ended up with two pair. I tried to give one pair to my son. He don't want them. I don't know. Now these are my favorite ones, man. I had rocked these at work, and I rocked them at a party, and everybody like, where you get these from? Where you get these from? So yeah, these right here, man, I really love these. Look at the translucent bottom. These go hard. I love these right here. Now, as far as the high top, man, your boy hit on these, man. I think these came out last year. I think they came out last year, man. But you gotta have your all blacks. You gotta have your all blacks. Yes, sir. Also, we have all red. Now, these right here, I didn't hit on them when they came out, but a buddy of mine hit on them for me, and I appreciate him for that, man. These go hard, man. These go hard. Yeah. And then you gotta have these. Now, I had two, but I sent one back. The reason why, I think I don't need two pair of shoes. That's why I might send the 14 black toe back, because I have the 2014 version. But yeah, I had two of them, man, and maybe I should have kept the other one and gave it to my son, man. But yeah, gotta have your blues, man. There's only one of them I don't have that I want, and I believe it's the eggplant, the purple ones, man. I really wish I had those, but I have the LeBron James 4 eggplant in those, and those shoes are uncomfortable, but that's another story. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.